This is an expansion board for the Raspberry Pi, and it's got written on it EB expansion board Pi version 1.02. Now you'll probably see it better if I switch this light off, perhaps make the LED show up better. Main reason for this video is to demonstrate the 7-segment display, which is worked via shift registers, and you have to multiplex it if you want to put different digits in different positions. So you can see it's running at the moment. It's saying blue, which is a sort of hint that pressing the blue button, which happens to be switch 1 or button 1, I think it's labelled on the board, will move on to a different display. You can see I've got the 2 LEDs at the side pulsing. That's just using the standard gpiozero functions to make them pulse. So I'll press the blue button and it's just showing we can display different things. So it says play. Obviously some letters are better than others in a 7-segment display. M's and H's, H you can do, but M's and W's are impossible really, and you do better by using a mix of upper and lower case generally for the letters that you do. There it's saying help, and I don't know if you can hear that, but it's sounding the buzzer. That's just showing that we can display a normal number with a decimal point, and then we move on to a clock display. That's showing the real time, and we've got hours and minutes with the seconds dot pulsing on and off in the middle. And then if I press it again, it changes to saying seconds, and now we've got minutes and seconds. So that's about it really. As I say, you can display numbers in any one position without multiplexing, and you can even display the same digit in several positions, but it's got to be the same digit. And again, you can do that without multiplexing. But if you want to get a display like this one, where more like a typical calculator display where each digit can be different to the others, then you have to do real-time multiplexing to do it. If I press the blue button one more time, it's gone back to saying blue, which is where we started, and the red button terminates the program, which is just a Python program, and it leaves it in the non-multiplex display, displaying 0. As I say, you can display any pattern you want in one or more of the digits without multiplexing. So that's about it. Thanks for watching.